Welcome friends to the TPM awareness session KK loss number 16 yield loss. So yield loss is the reduce waste and increase profit. Goal of Kovetsu Kaizen: maximize the conversion of raw material into good quality finished product by minimizing scrap, rework, rejection and material wastage. The best material loss is the one that never occurs. So high yield, maximize yield. Scrap, rejection, good product. Lower cost, higher profit, conserve resources and improve OEEs. Common examples of yield losses: scrap generated during machining, material trimming and cutting waste, welding spatter losses, paint overspray, powder coating losses, oil leakage during testing, product rejection, rework requiring additional material, casting and forging defects, packing material wastage. The best material loss is the one that never occurs. Eliminate yield loss, improve quality, reduce cost and increase profitability. So reduce waste, improve yield, lower cost, higher profits. Typical manufacturing example: raw material input 1000 kg, finished good output 915 kg, material loss is 15 kg. Yield percentage is equal to 950 divided by 1000 multiplied by 100. So yield is equal to 95% and yield loss is 5%. Common causes of this yield loss: poor process capability, incorrect machine setting, low quality raw materials, improper tooling, operator errors, inadequate maintenance, excessive process variation, weak process control, frequent adjustment, lack of standard operating procedures. Eliminate the causes, improve yield and profitability. So reduce waste, improve quality, increase productivity and boost our profits. Impact of yield loss: first one is increase manufacturing cost, higher material consumption, reduce profitability, increase waste disposal cost, lower productivity, longer production cycle, higher customer price, environmental impact, reduce competitiveness, which is every loss hurts, every impact counts. Yield loss, increase cost and reduce profits. Higher cost, lower profit, more waste, lower efficiency, customer impact, loss market advantage. Reduce yield loss today, secure a better tomorrow. Hidden effects of yield loss: the real impact beyond what you see: increase inventory requirement, more procurement of raw material, additional energy consumption, increase transportation cost, higher carbon footprints, lower plant capacity utilization, increase customer complaints due to inconsistent quality. Yield loss is more than just waste. It's a hidden problem that multiplies losses. Reduce yield loss, improve profits. Reduce waste, lower cost, improve productivity, increase quality, satisfy customer, boost profitability. Kaizen countermeasures of yield loss: first one is improve first pass yield, reduce process variation, strengthening Pokayoke system, optimize process parameters, improve machine capability, prevent defect at source, conduct root cause analysis like 5 whys, use SPC for process monitoring, improve operator training, standardize best practices, standard work, implement autonomous maintenance, improve supplier quality, reduce rework and scrap. Small improvements, big results. Higher yield, lower cost, higher profit. Zero loss is our goal. So lower cost, higher yield, better quality, higher productivity and sustainable growth. If you found this video is useful, please like this video, share your energy saving ideas in the comments, share this video with your colleagues, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icons. Thanks for watching KK loss series videos. So now friends, we are discussing all about 16 losses. If you want this video, all links are given in the description. Thank you very much. We will meet again in the next video or the next topic. Thank you.